In today's video, I'll show you how to change the microphone volume on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, head to the System Settings app, and then scroll down until you are in the section called Audio. Scroll down again and find the Audio Input section. Within here, you should see the microphone input volume option, and you can use the slider here to change this. You might then want to test the microphone below this, or change other settings, such as noise suppression. That's how to change the microphone volume on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.